welcome to my channel. My name is Luret Dakum, an Abuja-based content creator on YouTube. If it's your first time stumbling across this page, please don't make it your last. Come back, thank you. So I'm actually going for brunch with my sister, and I just thought to vlog it might be nice and give you options. Christmas is coming, might be looking for where to have brunch. So just to like give you my honest review of the place and just take you along and just give you options on where to have brunch in Abuja. Yes, I hope you enjoy. I'm just wearing a really cute it's me that is calling me cute. I'm just wearing a cute casual dress. Wait, let me see if I can show you. And my shades. And my shades. Yeah, honestly, I actually think I need new shades because this one has suffered a bit and I misplaced my other two shades, so I actually need to get new ones. So yeah, let's go. Sunshine. We're going to be on her vlog. Celebrity.
You said you do see Abuja.
I don't dare.
You're going to be on YouTube.
Oh wow, we're on YouTube.
Lil D.
Never been on YouTube before.
Paiza, you're killing me.
Never been on YouTube before. Please show him.
I'd be like, oh my god. Tell my friends to subscribe. Share, subscribe.
That's it.
What color are you? I'm going to blue purple. So I'll take choose your color. To record, and my sister has been trying to gas me up and saying that recording is not a thing of shame. Hopefully I conquer my fear. So we just had brunch at Busy Breakfast and it was actually so nice. I loved the environment, I loved the service, I loved the food. Like it was so much I had to take mine away because we couldn't finish our food. Yeah, and then the prices were okay. It was not so bad.
It was reasonable.
We ate. What else do you want to know?
We ate much.
We ate much. Second, what else should I say?
Nothing.
Yeah, so that's it. So please come here, have fun, enjoy. I'm still so shy. This one is here, so she cannot wait to be an adult. Papa! Did you have a good time?
Yeah, the food was really good. 10 over 10.
10 over 10 minus nothing. No, that's what you will say when you post picture. So excited I can barely even catch a breath. You guys! Ah! I'm so excited. So in one of my videos, I was complaining that my hand was paining me because I don't have a tripod. Blah, 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 blah. But guess what? Dun, 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 my tripod is here. I'm so happy. My God. You guys, my tripod is here. I'm so excited. Like, I just came home from work, safe. I didn't even wait to change my clothes. I was like, let me see my new baby. Hey! Oh, I'm so excited. So I got this tripod from Alpha Online on Instagram, and I love the fact that it came with a free gift. It's a magnetic charger, and I really love it. I saw it with my friend Tola one time, and I wanted one, and guess what? I got it as a free gift. So thank you so much, Alpha Online, for this.